Hello and welcome to my first lecture on Ubuntu programming tutorial. My name is Muhammad Al-Hassani. Please note that this is a personal video I use for my study, but anyone is most welcome to watch and hopefully learn something from it. Also note that English is my second language, so bear with me any mistakes. First, let's see how we can get Ubuntu. You can visit many websites from the internet. I am using this one, which is trendsigma.net/VMware. You can download the version that I am using right now, which is Ubuntu 12.04 VMware image, and you can open it through this VMware player. Once you install the VMware player, you can open the terminal from here, and as you can see here, this is your user ID in this computer. This is your computer name, and this tilde sign stands for the home directory, and this dollar sign is for the privilege mode that we are in right now. This is for a regular user. The first command that I will show you is the list command. We have to write it as shortcut ls, and if you press enter, you can see here we have a list of the folders and files which is in this directory. The second command I will show you is the copy command. For this demonstration, let's create a text file. Let's open the text editor and write anything here. Save it to the user directory. We will call it text.txt. Press save. And if I want to copy this file, I just have to write cp and then text.text, and then what is the desired name? I will call it text2.text. And as you can see here, I have created a copy of that file. The second command I will show you is the move command. We have to write it for shortcut mv, and then you can do two things here. You can either rename a file or move it to another folder. First, let's rename text1 text.text, and we call it text1. And as you can see here, text.text have changed into text1.text. The second function of the move command is that we can move certain files into another folder. So let's move these two text files into the document folder. We can do this with the wildcard, the star, and then the extension .text. That means move all .text file into this folder, which is the document. Please note that you don't have to write the whole folder name. As you can see here, this is doc, and then if you press the tab, it will autocomplete, and press enter. And as you can see here, we have moved those two files into the document folder. And now I will show you how to create a directory in this document folder through the command line. First, we have to make sure we are in the document folder. Please note that this tilde sign stands for the home directory, which is this home folder. So to go to this document folder through the command line, we have to write cd for change directory, and then type the document folder name. You don't have to write the whole thing, just write the first few letters and press tab for auto completion. Now we are in the document directory. So if you type ls for list in this folder, the two files that we have brought in this folder is listed right here. So now I will create a folder by writing mkdir, which stands for make directory, and now just type the folder name that you want. Let's call it text. As you can see here, we have created one folder, which is the text. We can go inside it by writing cd and then text. there is no files in this folder, so if we type ls, there is nothing. Please note, if we write cd and then two dots, it will take us up one level, and if we write cd and then the tilde sign, and if you do that, you will go directly to the home folder. Now I will show you how to open a text file in the command terminal. Please note that you can scroll up and down between your last commands, and you can choose one of them. Let's go to the document folder. If you write ls, it will show you the folders and file in this directory. So now if we write ls and then the file name, the text on that file will be shown here in the terminal. You can go out of this by typing q. The next command I will show you is the nano command, which will open a text editor inside the terminal. You just have to write nano and then the file name. As you can see here, this is a text editor inside the terminal. We can write anything here. And you can save it by pressing Ctrl O. And now the terminal will prompt you if you want to keep the same name or rename it with a new one. You can rename it and it will create a new file here, or you can keep it the same and then it will overwrite this file. So let's keep it as is. You can press enter, and now if you open that file, you will see the modified text that we have entered. And you can go out of this text editor by pressing Ctrl X. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.